Hello, my name is Nkechi Ezenwa. This is the Coursera Human Factor in AI peer-graded assignment. We are to choose a task for this assignment. Here I've chosen to create an app where users can input symptoms and receive potential medical diagnosis from an AI system. The key task breakdown: 1 is to input collection, data processing, output presentation. Then there is simplifying the task flow and user experience. Here I'm streamlining input to implement smart input fields that suggest symptoms and the users, and as the user types, reducing effort and increasing accuracy. There is guided questionnaire, clear result display. Then number 2, you have user experience design, which is the interaction flow. In this, there is initial input. User starts typing in their primary symptom. The app uses autocomplete suggestion to help with accuracy. There is dynamic questionnaire. Based on the initial symptom, the app asks follow-up questions. These are simple multi-choice questions designed to refine the diagnosis. Then there is the diagnosis display. The app presents a list of potential conditions, each with a confidence score and a brief explanation. What are the key considerations here? Number 1, user inputs and feedback loops. Number 2, transparency on the model. Number 3, communicating uncertainty. Then other considerations here: privacy considerations, sensitive data handling, implement strong encryption methods for storing and transmitting user data, user consent, clearly explain data usage and obtain explicit consent from users, compliance with the law. We all know that regulations and compliance are to be strictly adhered to, such as HIPAA and GDPR for data privacy. Then we can go to the ethical considerations. Part of the things to consider in this ethics is diverse training for data for training. We should ensure the training data includes a wide range of demographics to minimize bias. Bias monitoring. Regularly audit the system for any biases and adjust the model accordingly. Transparent AI decision. You should provide and explain features where users can see why the AI suggested certain conditions based on their input. Now, in building the project, number 1 is design phase. In the design phase, you create wireframes for the app interface, focusing on the simplicity and accessibility. Develop a conversational AI script for the questionnaire. In creating the wireframes for the app, we have to understand certain needs the user might have. We sketch basic layouts. We developed detailed wireframe. Incorporate accessibility features. Interactive feedback and refinement are required. Developing a conversational AI for the questionnaire, that is script writing, personalization and adaptability, handling diverse user input, ensuring medical accuracy, testing and iteration. In the development stage, you code the front end with user-friendly design principles. Develop the back-end AI model, ensuring it is trained on a diverse data set. Coding the front end, implementing the wireframes. Translate the wireframes into actual code. This involves using web or mobile app development frameworks and languages like React for web app or Swift for iOS apps. User-friendly design principle. Ensure the interface is intuitive. This means clear navigation, logical flow from one screen to the next, and easily accessible features. Interactive elements too, testing and optimization, accessibility, compliance. Now we have to move to the testing and iteration stage. We have to conduct user testing to gather feedback on usability and comprehension. Refine the AI model based on the test result, focusing on accuracy and bias reduction. Conducting user testing. We develop test plan, select participants, execute test session, and gather feedback. Then finally we analyze the result. Now we come to the privacy and compliance. We have to implement robust data security measures. Draft a privacy policy and user consent form in line with HIPAA and GDPR. Implement robust data security measures. Number one, there must be data encryption. There must be access control. There must be data anonymization. There must be secure authentication. There must be regular security audit and compliance check. Drafting a privacy policy and user consent form. There should be privacy policy, user consent form, compliance with HIPAA and GDPR, regular updates and notification. Then we move to the last phase, which is launch and feedback. This is when the app is released with clear guidelines and support channels. Also, we have to establish a system for continuous monitoring and user feedback to keep improving the app. This is the stages that are required in building an AI system for a medical diagnosis. Thank you.